What's up, Snaz fam? Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all crushing life. Today's video, I hope, is exciting and not devastating. You see, the second day I owned the Dodge Viper, the check engine light came on. I'm not sure if it's because he was running 93, I switched it to 91 because that's all I could find, or if there's other stuff going on. So I hope the news is good today and not devastating. The car has 55,000 miles on it, but it's 20 years old. I never did a PPI or anything on it, so it could have some major issues going on that I'm just unaware of. So before I push it through the paces, do some massive donuts and things like that, I just want to get it checked out, see what's up. So I'm excited, but nervous. I'm also nervous to show you all this because the Shelby, she's still a disaster. We had that magnesium snow in Utah, which just ruined all the cars out there. So we're gonna wash it today, I promise you. Let's go grab the keys. Also the bug, looking immaculate. 69 Mach 1, also immaculate. Also check this out, the cabinet work is in progress. This is gonna be awesome. Mrs. Burlacher killing it with the vision. Cabinet guys killing it with their skill work. Viper, hang on one second. Shelby, let's go. Cold startup, Shelby GT350. No time to mess up. We gotta go. Jeez, I'm sorry. I apologize to everybody. I hope this works. Come on. Clean it off. Get it. Get it. Oh, that's so disgusting. All right, Shelby, let's go. What do you got? Oh, yes. Yes, baby. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That was not the red line. Maybe it was. Let's see what kind of tunes we got today. Let's play some music. Oh. I like that song. Seriously, driving this car is so different than the Viper. They're both like just exhilarating, but in their own way, very differently. Oh, so we have a situation. The car wash is stacked. It's full. I don't know if we have time to wait, but we gotta wash the Shelby. I don't know what to do. No way, maybe she's done. Wow, thank you, Chevy Silverado. That was just perfect timing. Oh, I feel so much better. This is the right direction. Does everyone feel better now? Because I do. I hope you guys do as well. But look at this. Look who shows up. Yeah, we got Papa Burlacher in the 68. Randomly, coincidentally, just showed up while I was washing her. You're going to rinse her off and then clean the engine bay and just kind of like clean her up. Yes. My dad and I just picked a color this morning as well to wrap it. So we're going to get that ordered ASAP. Get it here. We've never had that color on the channel before, so we're both kind of pretty stoked about it. All right, we'll catch up with her later. Wow, gorgeous. What tires don't die? What curb, what tires? All good, baby. Snap, crackle, pop. Okay, we made it home, but we have two problems. Now we gotta go over to my dear neighbor Rollins' house because we got the Raptor there and we got the Viper here. Ooh, there she is, sight for sore eyes. We're getting our steps in today, baby. Yeah. Have I explained to you guys how much I love the open top life? Long journey here, we've arrived.
Are we live? Oh, we're live. What's up, guys?
Woo. The roof is light, it's just awkward and big.
What are you doing? Oh my gosh, what?
Are we the right way?
No.
Are we backwards?
No, I mean, we are, but.
So we're good. Did you get it?
I got it. Did you get it?
No.
Your side seems to be all askew.
Wait, yeah, oh yeah, we're not in. We're not in. All right, roof is on. I'm not fully confident it's not gonna fly off, but we'll give it a go. Also, you know, driving shoes. All right, now we're good to go. Oh, center dump work? Okay, so we have two problems.
We have more than two problems, but two problems currently.
These are the two we always have. I'm late, very late.
And we're chit-chatting.
And I'm hungry.
Oh no.
I'm hungry.
Bro.
But we gotta get that there, get lunch, and then get home because I gotta be home in an hour.
Let's hustle.
Okay. It's a little trickier with the roof on. All right, we're in, we're buckled. Let's go. Boom, 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 boom. Thank you, sir. merging. This is that special check engine light. As I mentioned, it turned on day 2 of ownership. 55,000 miles, 20 years old. All right, we have a situation. The roof's not on. I failed. I didn't get the roof on. Let's see if we can fix it. Oh, we can't. Wow, I'm gonna have to pull over. What a disaster. The roof's not on.
Is it not?
No. Well, look at that.
Your side
I know, I told everyone. I told everyone. See that lever there? You gotta be a man and turn it all the way. James was a man, I wasn't. I didn't man up.
Yeah, we know.
So, we're good. We're good.
Are we?
No.
Yeah,
maybe.
I think so.
Life lessons, when it comes to safety, double check and triple check your work at minimum, because that roof was about to go boom. All right, let's see how she does. Get her straight first, then pull. Yeah, baby, you hear that? That was nice. Raptor, center dump, baby. If you don't know what I'm talking about, James got the new exhaust on the Raptor, and it actually is louder because it comes out underneath the middle of the truck. Center dump. Good news, the roof has not flown off yet. I'll keep you guys updated on that. Also, you know when like you have a car and you know you need to get it checked out, just because you're nervous more than anything, it's probably fine, but you just get that like anxiety builds up. That's where I've been since I've had this car, especially the last week. So this is gonna feel good. Get it checked out. Hopefully it has a clean bill of health. If it doesn't, then I don't know what we're gonna do. I'll fix it, hopefully.
There it is. Finally, there it is. Hit it. Come on. What? Bro, I can't hear that. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me?
Don't let that be the last pull ever in this car because it's broken, please. Oh, whoa, 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 Lotus, Lotus, 4, 6. I really want James and I both to get Lotuses, but I don't want to buy one before he buys one because he had one first. Whoa, they are stacked today. What do they got here? A Mach 1? What? So much easier with no roof. Oh, come on, we can do this, we got it. So I took a wrong turn. I messed up.
What job is this? Like, what is going on?
No, I wanted to get her as close to the Mach 1 as possible. Look at that, that's gorgeous.
The last thing a Mustang needs is another close car to it because bang!
I hope we see her again. I hope she's fine. I don't know. Clean bill of health. Hey, bro, we are super late. We're hungry. Center dump. I got you licorice.
This is all we're gonna get because you made a wrong turn.
It's been in my pocket. Oh! I've had that in my pocket for weeks, waiting for the opportunity.
You're so weird. Did anybody ever tell you how weird you are? Did your mother ever tell you how
Basically
strange
everybody.
and odd you are?
Everybody. Premier Complete Auto Care, please take care of my baby.
How's the licorice, bro?
So good, honestly. I wouldn't make. Whoa!
Wait. For ya.
They got calls. There's something about a Shelby Raptor with center dump.
No, bro.
Let's go get food, then I want to tell everyone about something you did.
What did I do?
It was cool.
Can I get 2 orders of the number 4 with cheese? And then can we also get 2 orders of the chicken nuggets?
All right, my kids like around the total to the nearest McDonald's, so I'll have
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh, what I was going to mention is yesterday we took Johnny Supra, the Viper,
We did.
and a special Ford out to lunch yesterday. Did some rollers. Sounded good. It was awesome. So you got to check out the video below. This guy, he posted it today.
Right
He posted
now.
it. It's live right
Is
now.
this video going live tomorrow though?
I hope
It's
so.
going live in 3 days.
I hope it goes live tomorrow.
I do too.
Stay tuned.
Awesome.
Thank you so much. I almost just.
I'm gonna start eating, bro. You cool?
What?
I gotta go. I gotta get home.
Yeah, so do I.
Where you going?
I'm going to pick up a kid at a Bugatti. Ty.
What?
High school.
Yeah, I'm picking him up from high school in the bug.
You tell me you're going to pick up Ty from high school in the Bugatti.
In the Bugatti. Your old high school. I'm going to your old high school in a Bugatti to pick up Ty from school.
Ty, enjoy it. That's epic. Wow. All right, we are back. It is day 2. We got the progress here. Jeremy and Adam at JB Custom Woodworks are killing it. You guys want to say hi to your boys?
Hey, Adam, how you doing?
What's up?
Hey, Cash, how you doing?
They got courage because that's like 20 feet up. I want nothing to do with that. Now I'm gonna link their business contact info below. This is not sponsored. I've just been impressed with how they're killing it. If you live in the Salt Lake or Utah County area and need carpentry work, they're your peeps. Now we got news on the Viper, and my dad's done an itty bitty bit of work on the 68 Mustang. Let's go check it out. We are in my pop's garage, who has been working tirelessly to kind of upgrade the garage. As you can see, we got some stripes that are added. The floor has been epoxied. This is going up and up. We got some work still going on over here. When that's done, the 69 Mach 1 is coming back to this garage. As you all know, we got my X5 as well. My parents have been driving it since last summer. They love it. I still love the X5. I'm glad we still have it. All right, it smells like 1968 in here, which maybe that's not a good thing. Anyways, we got news on the Viper, kind of partial news. The evap line and possibly evap canister have leaks. So we got to get that replaced, which is not going to be terrible. It's going to be a few $100, but they are not yet done with the PPI. So there could be a lot more things coming down the pipeline. Next video, we hope to have an update. We hope to have the Viper back, and we don't have something that's major. I guess you'll know by the title of the next video if it says Viper blew up and we'll never see it again. But my dad has been jumping in and getting to work on the 68. He started to patch the steering wheel, but then we were talking and we think we're gonna replace the entire steering wheel, so we gotta start shopping for that. We also looked at the radio here, and we think we're gonna put something in that has like CarPlay and all the modern stuff. So we're gonna swap out the radio system. He's already putting in some speakers, because in the back of the vehicle here, this rug was covering up where the speakers should have been, but there were no speakers. So my dad, being the guy he is, had speakers and has an amp and has a sub. So we're gonna be bouncing as soon as we get a radio in the front. When we got the 68, there was also a brand new air filter in the trunk. This thing is beautiful, blinging for sure. This will help, you know, a wee little bit with performance, etc. My dad also cleaned the distributor contacts. He has been getting to work on this baby for sure. And I can confirm during the making this video, we got the vinyl for the 68 ordered and shipped. Should be here in a couple days. We're gonna get it wrapped ASAP. So I'm super stoked for the work we're gonna do on the 68 and the Viper, assuming the Viper is alive. Anyways, I wish you all the best of luck. Go crush it. Peace.